If your Ggives balance looks like extra cash, you're just wishful thinking. Ggives was made for shopping, not easy money. Here's what really happens if you try to cash it out. Ggives is a shop now, pay later service. Think of it as your shopping buddy, not a cash loan. You're meant to use Ggives for buying things at official partner stores, either in person or online. Just tell the cashier you're using Gcash, scan their QR code, and pick Ggives as your payment method. Or, shop through Glife and check out using Ggives. Easy. Now, about those so-called easy methods you see online, where people offer to trade your Ggives for real cash. Here's the truth. Most are scams, and even the legit ones can get your account frozen, your money lost, or worse, your info stolen. Gcash doesn't support this, and you could be breaking their rules. So, keep it safe. Use Ggives the way it's intended, for shopping with official partners. Your wallet and your account will thank you.